Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm swapping out all my little, what do you call it, anti-rattler kits. Sometimes we call them like the window seals. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. These feel fine. I guess I got a little piece broken there, but mainly wanted to get this right here so stop leaking down into the door. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So anyway, sit back and watch. Well, that's it. It's all in here. Now, I'm not saying it's the best one that I've put in, but it does the job. Some things just don't fit tight. I don't know if it's just me or I don't know. Anyway, it's all in there. So next I'll do, well, I'm gonna have to fabricate a little piece here to put in the seal. May do that. Not sure when I'll get to it. Probably the same time I do this rear seal, because I got a bunch of pinholes right there, and I got the seals in that bag right there, but I'll have to take it to a window shop because I don't feel like breaking it. Anyway, until next time.